Hi everyone. If I tell you you can control your Hermes agent through your mobile, how it looks? Isn't this a great? So, in this video, I'll be showing you how you can set up a Discord server with the Hermes agent so that you can control your Hermes agent with your mobile itself. It is really going to be very short and it is going to be really fun to set up a Discord server with Hermes agent. Let's go ahead and get started with this. All right, now it is going to be super short tutorial. You need to come to on Discord developer portal. Thereafter, you need to create a new application here. Click on here. Thereafter, you need to give a name to your application. I'm going to give here Hermes. Let's go ahead and accept this. I'm just going to say that maybe Hermes bot would be better name for me. Then I'm just going to create it. All right, application is gonna be created here, but before that I need to verify. Here I am the human. All right, it is created. You can give the app icon as well. Apart from that, you are gonna get here application ID, public ID, all these you can ignore as of now. You don't need all these. What you have to do here now, you need to come on OAuth 2. Here in OAuth 2, just scroll it down. You need to select here a scope that is going to be the bot scope. Thereafter, you need to scroll it down. Let's go ahead and select the administrator permission. If you want to select here a fine-tuned or fine-grained permission, you can select these permissions. For example, if you want to provide only messages access, you can select only message related permissions and the rest you can discard. But as of now, I'm going to select here admin permission. Thereafter, you are going to get this generated URL. Just copy this URL from here. Thereafter, you need to make sure your application joins your Discord server where you want to use this bot application. So just paste it here. Thereafter, it is going to pop up here window that Hermes agent want to access your Discord account. I'm going to allow this inside this open claw server. Thereafter, I'm going to just continue here. All right, let's go ahead and authorize this. Now it is authorized. Thereafter, you need to come here inside the bot. All right. Inside the bot, you need to scroll it down here a little bit. Then you are going to see here the token. You need to get this token from here. Let's go ahead and copy this token from here. Thereafter, scroll it down. Then you are going to get here the bot permission. Before that, you have here message content intent. Turn it on. Thereafter, you have here save messages. Just save this. While saving this, you will get here option bot successfully updated. That's all you have to do here. Now you have created your token successfully. Once you have done that, then open your terminal, and then inside this terminal, you need to write here Hermes gateway setup. It has started the Hermes gateway setup. Then you are going to see here a lot of messaging app. You will see here on 16 number, you have a Discord here. It is not configured yet. I'm going to type that 16 number here. That means it is going to get started with the Discord configuration setup. I have already got the token, so I just simply paste my token here. That's all I have to do. Let's go ahead and run this. Thereafter, it is saying here allowed user IDs or username. Basically, I need to provide here the user IDs which I want to allow here. So what I can do here, I can just simply come here on my Discord server, make sure I have enabled this developer mode. Thereafter, come back here, click on here, copy this user ID from here. That's all I have to do. Then I need to just simply open here and come back and paste my user ID. So this is going to be allowed user ID who would be able to message my bot. Thereafter, home channel ID, let's go ahead and leave it as it is. That's all. Everything is done. Let's go ahead and type here 26 number. And finally, I want to restart my gateway. Let's go ahead and press Y. Start the gateway automatically on login boot as a do task service. Yes, I want to restart my gateway. All right. Start the gateway automatically on Windows login with the schedule task. Yes. And then, yes, so let's go ahead and turn it on. All right. Everything is installed. Thereafter, I need to just make sure gateway is installed here successfully. Let's go ahead and make sure here everything is working correctly. So I have a Norton antivirus. Sometimes it might block your application, but don't worry about that. It will take a little bit time to complete the process. And then finally, you are gonna see here your Hermes gateway is gonna get started with this. And finally, Hermes gateway has started. You can see here our application is live. You can clearly see here it is live. Let's go ahead and check if it is working. So I just simply say hi, then it should be able to reply me. And here it is. So no home channel is set for Discord. Home channel is where Hermes delivers cron job results and so on. That is fine, but it has replied me. Excellent. So it is working perfectly fine. All right, everyone. So you have successfully done the setup of Hermes agent bot with the Discord server. Now you can message your Hermes agent through the mobile as well or through the Discord server as well. If you want me to make a video on a particular topic, please do let me know in the comment box. I'd be more than happy to make a video for you. And if you want to learn how to set up the OpenClaw, whether you need to prepare OpenClaw and the Hermes agent, then I have here a dedicated playlist for Hermes agent and the OpenClaw on my channel KGP Talkie. Link for these playlists are given in the video description. Please don't forget to visit my other tutorials as well. All right, everyone. Bye bye. Take care.